Oh no, Cvent is in less than a week. What do I pack? Well, I'm David T. Stevens, and we're going to break down what I am going to be packing for Cvent Connect in Nashville next week. So let's start with the pharmacy stuff. I'm in the kitchen. So I'm bringing creatine monohydrate. I chose this one. I'm big on always promoting practice over product, even though in this video, I am going to show specific products that I choose to use. Whatever creatine monohydrate you choose to use, this is the important thing to look for. There's a little thing on here and it says NSF, it's certified sport. That is a third party that tests this to make sure that it's in there. Now, you'll see other packages that will have a certification that looks like that. It doesn't actually say it. So be careful with that. The other thing is sometimes they'll say third party tested and that's it. It won't actually say who it's tested by. So, okay, creatine monohydrate, there's a few different ways you can get it. One, this is a powder. Since I'll be there so long, and I have an event afterwards that I have to go to, I'm gonna bring the whole canister. You can also use these Go Stack containers where you can pre-measure it, and this is just the single container so that it's already pre-dosed if you wanna go that way. Now, there's also creatine gummies. This is a company called Create, but once again, this has that NSF Informed Sport right down there. And they also make a electrolyte / creatine pre-measured packet that you can use. So these are both from Create, and then this is from Podium. Now, speaking of electrolytes, it's gonna be hot, you're gonna sweat, so staying hydrated is a key thing. So bring a good water bottle or a shaker cup, one or the other. I'm bringing this Yeti that I got for free because there's no shortage of water bottles. That's not an issue. But in addition to that, I'm gonna be bringing some of these suckers. If you haven't heard of Laylick, but you may have heard of Splash. So after Ben sold his company to Cvent, he started Laylick, and they are a electrolyte lollipop. I'm gonna bring a bunch of these with me. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna be thinking about is protein. So this is called Cyclone Cup. If you like protein powder and you wanna bring your own, this is an easy way to do it. The other option is you can bring a bar, or I bring a box of bars. They happen to have my name on them. That's just coincidental, but there's 28 grams of protein and 150 calories in these. And then last but not least, I'm just gonna go in the fridge here. I'm probably also gonna go to CVS or a grocery store or something and get some of these that have 42 grams of protein and put them in the hotel fridge. Now, with that takes care of you most of the day, but then what about in the evening? So usually there's a chamomile tea, but most recently I had a guest on the show and she makes her own sleepy time tea. It's called Deep Sleep Tea. I haven't had it yet, so we'll see, but chamomile works as well. The other supplement I take, and once again, this one is by Informed Sport, another certification. This is called ZMA. It is B6, zinc, and magnesium. You take 2 to 3 of these before bed, and it helps with recovery, helps with sleep. It's a great supplement.